to Yagentune Training Academy. Today's topic: in modern AI systems, containerization is not optional, it is foundational. And the technology powering this revolution is Docker. Let's break down how Docker architecture supports AI workloads in real-world production systems. First, Docker Engine. Docker Engine is the runtime that builds and runs containers. In AI platforms, every AI agent, inference server, and vector database client runs inside isolated Docker containers. Each container operates with its own namespaces and control groups, ensuring resource isolation, stability, and predictable performance. This means your AI workloads remain secure, scalable, and independent. Next, Docker Images. A Docker image is an immutable layered snapshot of your application, including runtime and dependencies. You build it once and deploy it anywhere. From your developer laptop to cloud production clusters like Amazon Elastic Kubernetes Service, Azure Kubernetes Service, Google Kubernetes Engine. No modification required. That's portability at scale. Now let's talk about multi-stage builds. In AI projects, dependencies can be heavy, especially when compiling ML libraries. With multi-stage builds, the build stage compiles and installs dependencies. The runtime stage copies only the required artifacts. The result? A final image size reduced by 60 to 80%. Smaller images mean faster deployments, lower storage costs, and reduced attack surface. Next, base image strategy. For CPU-based AI services, we use Python.13.12.slim. For GPU inference workloads, NVIDIA/CUDA.12.3/base. But here's the key: we pin images to exact digests. This guarantees reproducibility across all environments. No surprises, no version drift. Now let's optimize performance with layer caching. In Docker files, dependency installation layers like pip install are placed before application code. Why? Because dependencies change less frequently than application code. So Docker caches those layers. When developers modify code, only the final application layer rebuilds. This reduces CI build time from 8 minutes to just 90 seconds. That's real productivity gain. Next, image registry strategy. Production-grade AI systems store images in secure registries such as Amazon Elastic Container Registry, Azure Container Registry, Google Container Registry. Images are tagged using Git SHA semantic versioning, and in production, the latest tag is strictly prohibited. Immutable tagging ensures deployment traceability and rollback safety. Security is critical, so we implement Trivy scanning. Using Trivy, every image is automatically scanned during CI. If any vulnerability above high severity is detected, deployment is blocked. Scan results are stored securely for audit and compliance reporting. This ensures enterprise-grade security for AI infrastructure. Finally, Docker Compose for local development. With a single command, developers can spin up the entire AI ecosystem locally. AI agents, Kafka, PostgreSQL, VV8, Redis. This mirrors production topology. Developers test locally in an environment identical to production, reducing bugs, deployment failures, and integration surprises. Docker is not just a container tool, it is the backbone of scalable, secure, and production-ready AI services. From development to cloud deployment, Docker ensures consistency, reproducibility, performance, and security. And in AI infrastructure, that's everything. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep tech content on Docker architecture for AI. Thank you all.